Hello everyone, my name is Brian Alderman and welcome to my course on implementing and monitoring threat management in Microsoft 365. I'm a Microsoft MVP. I'm also an MCT, a Microsoft Certified Trainer for 23 consecutive years, so lots of training under my belt. I've authored 4 published Microsoft technology books, and I'm a speaker at several SharePoint and Microsoft 365 conferences around the world. And in my spare time, I'm a trainer and consultant at my own company called MicroTechPoint. Microsoft 365 includes threat protection services and products to help secure your organization's data. It's important to plan for the deployment of threat protection utilizing these services and products, as well as understanding what each product provides, how they are implemented, and how to configure them after implementation. We are going to learn about ATA, or Advanced Threat Analytics, a few flavors of ATP, which is Advanced Threat Protection, as well as ways to monitor these threats to help you take the necessary actions. In this course, we are going to introduce, explore, and discuss planning considerations for ATP, configuring the different ATP types, planning and configuring ATA, and monitoring of threat protection in Microsoft 365. By the end of this course, you'll know what needs to be carefully considered to successfully plan for implementing, configuring, and monitoring threat protection to help protect your users' identities and your organization's data. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with your organization's planning policies, have a general understanding of the common identity and data threats in your organization, and be familiar with the type of monitoring required by your organization. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about threat protection with my Implementing and Monitoring Threat Management in Microsoft 365 course available here at Pluralsight.